Good evening everyone. Today's program of workout is animal flow training. Animal flow, I'll just give you the brief about what animal flow workout is. Animal flow is a workout pattern which works on your stability, mobility and flexibility of your muscles. Mobility is all about how your joints are functioning whenever you do a lot of balancing work. In animal flow workout, we'll be doing a lot of balancing workout along with the movements. So let's start. Our first workout is called spinal wave. So we begin with by keeping shoulder width apart stance between our legs. Keep your toes exactly on the floor. Push your hip all the way down. Extend your hands. What we'll start off with is extend your legs. Keep your back arched. Extend. Just move with the flow. Get your hips all the way lower. You're again going back. Start position. Lower yourself. Go in a similar manner. Extend your hips first. Come on the ball of your feet. Get a wave for your back and your hips. Go all the way down. Go lower. Relax. Lift. Get your hips lower. Go down. Look down all the way. Lower yourself. I would request everybody to start off with a very slow movement. Just get the movement correctly, because it not only works on your back, it also works on your shoulder, it also works on your wrist mobility. So starting off with a slow speed is what I would recommend each one of you. Our second workout is called under switch. So first sit down. Keep both the toes straight. Bend both the knees 90 degrees. Keep your hands behind. Extend your back. Chest up. Lift your hip. Now, for example, right leg will go under your left leg. Along with your right leg, your left hand will be moving. So what you need to do is slowly practice of coming to quadruped position, where both the wrists will be under your shoulders. Now same leg comes back to the start position. Again go back to a quadruped position. You're not touching your knees on the floor. This leg again comes under your left leg. Start again. We'll be doing 40 seconds of exercise. Don't count the repetition. Till the time you don't understand the movements, practice it slowly, time by time. 40 seconds we'll be focusing on, and we'll just do 3 sets. Our next exercise is called crab reach. As with the previous exercise, keep your knees 90 degree bent, toes pointing straight up, lift your hips slightly up. Balance on one hand, opposite hand stays very straight. I want you to extend your hip and your hands all the way up. Slowly come to the starting position. Again extend your hip and your hands all the way up. Down. Make sure this hand remains very straight and your hips and your hands should go together all the way, extending up. Make it one flow of exercise. Same way, 40 seconds of exercise. Don't count the repetition. Master the exercise first for 3 sets. The next exercise of the day is called butterfly pose. So we begin with a quadruped position. Just lift your knees slightly off the floor. Now you have to move both the legs. So your right leg will be on the floor. Your left leg comes behind your right leg. Again come back. Slow. Come to the start position. Slow. So what you have to remember the 3 things. Keeping your right leg on the floor with the toes pointing away from the body. Your left leg come exactly behind the right leg and you are sitting very upright. So your 3 limbs will be moving. Your right hand, left leg and your right leg. It has to move in one sync. So let's do little faster. Same for the other side. Now your left leg will be pointing outwards, your right leg comes behind, and your left hand comes off the floor. 40 seconds of exercise, 3 sets with very slow speed. Next exercise to follow is called side kicks. We again begin with the quadruped position. Lift your knee. Now your left leg goes all the way sideways, but left and your right hand comes off the floor. Again come back. Extend your leg. Back. Extend your leg. Back. Now in this, you're jumping with your right leg, you're moving your left leg little faster, and your right hand comes off the floor. Again 3 limbs will be moving. So see the motion. Jump, extend your legs, hand comes behind, again come to the start position. Jump, extend your legs, the left leg. 40 seconds of exercise, again 3 sets, very slow speed. Our last exercise of the day is called front kicks. In front kicks, you're going all the way down, plant your knee, both the toes on the floor, jump with your right leg, extend your left leg forward. Previous exercise we were kicking sideways, in this exercise we'll be kicking in front angle. Again jump back, jump forward, open your body. Make sure your leg is just slightly above the ground. It should not be touching the ground. It should not be too over the floor. Make sure your heels remain very stable on the floor for executing this exercise. You can even try for the other side. Go. Balance. Same way, 40 seconds of exercise, 3 sets. And I'm still emphasizing on doing the movements pretty slow. Just get the movements correct, because as I covered in my introduction that it requires a lot of stability, it requires a lot of mobility. You must have seen in the exercises your one limb was always on the floor. It has to be very stable, it has to be very strong. Till the time you don't master the movements, don't go for speed work. Just practice will make you perfect. Go very slow, practice all these exercises. Take your time. Please share and like my YouTube channel. This is Lokesh Patni signing off for the day. Stay home, stay safe, stay fit.